A historic rain event has impacted the city of Carencro, and that's according to city officials. I'm Christina Mondragon, your Lafayette Parish reporter here on Fado Street, and as you can see, this road was impassable, leading many neighbors to lose many of their belongings, and they tell me they don't know how they'll gain it back.
Everything is damaged. Everything.
Mary Broussard and her family have been living on this street for 3 years. While Mary says she has experienced flooding on her street before, it's never reached her home.
I mean, we tried sandbags, but it went way over. It just started flooding in the house.
The water in some areas waist deep.
I have 3 grandchildren, that lives with me and stuff like that. All this stuff got ruined. The shoes and stuff, the school uniform, that's all ruined.
She and her family feel that this could have been avoided if the neighborhood had proper drainage.
The canal, if they could have dig up the canal, a little deeper or whatever, I think it would be a lot better for, everybody that's living back there.
Her son agrees.
We all pay taxes, right? So what is our tax money being done with? You know what I mean? Like, our drainage is bad. As you can see, we got plenty of water out there. You feel what I'm saying? So it's none to our community is being done.
I reached out to the mayor of Carencro, Charlotte Clavier, about drainage in this neighborhood. She says in a statement that the city has done a lot of work in the area, but in order to do more, it would take more land. She also says these large rain events are hard to plan for, but is thankful for officials stepping up to help. The family tells me that they will just continue to salvage what they can and are grateful that everyone made it out okay. I'm Christina Mondragon, your Lafayette Parish reporter in Carencro for KTC TV3.